Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the T-28 Carbon Z Trojan. Okay, right, left, up, down, right, left.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
All right. Boy, it's a big plane. Big plane.
Gear up. Landing flaps. Safe mode. Experienced mode. Gear down.
Still have that one gear
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
wanting to hang up.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Landing flaps.
But at least it comes down. I don't have to belly land her, which would be a shame. Come by dirty. Boy, she will fly slow. All right. Good looking bird. Good looking bird.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, we're gonna
Flaps
just.
up.
I don't think we need any flaps.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
They're full speed pass.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Gear seems to be working just fine now. I think it just has to warm up a little bit. You can almost steer this bird with a rudder only, not even have to use anything to keep her level. She just almost turns.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear up. Landing flaps.
We're gonna come by slow and low. One gear is hanging down again.
Gear down.
I got a minute and a half.
Take off flaps. Gear down. Flaps up.
This time we're gonna land with no flaps at all. No flaps at all.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh! Shit! Sorry, folks. I hit the power line. I didn't realize I was that far over. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, I hope I didn't hit the road. Let's turn off while I walk over there. Well, folks, I wrecked her. I hit that power line, and what we've got a broken crawlbit motor shaft. ESC's okay. Cow's broke, front fuse is broke. As you can see, the fuse is all broken inside where the mounting for the front nose gear. Big dent there. Big dent, big crack dent. Front of the wing. I'll have to have this wing, that gear, probably a new motor, new prop, new fuse, unless I can repair that. Hey, the cow's in good shape. The canopy. Well, that's my fault. I didn't realize, wasn't paying attention to my spatial awareness and hit that power line. And I heard a jolt when it hit, so that might have fried all the electronics too. So, well, she's almost going to be a total loss. I know y'all are thinking, no, she's not, but well, that's $549 down the drain. But that's part of it, folks. This is what happens. It's my fault. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.